Hey there! Welcome to your first step toward a stronger, healthier you. If you're just starting your fitness journey or picking it back up, this video is made just for you. No gym? No problem. No equipment? Still no problem. This 10-minute home workout is full of easy, beginner-friendly moves that will help you get active, burn calories, and build confidence. Stick around until the end. We'll also share tips on how to stay consistent and motivated no matter where you're starting from. Ready? Let's begin. First, march in place. Let's warm up with something simple, marching in place. This gets your blood flowing, wakes up your muscles, and preps your body for movement. Pump your arms, keep your back straight, and lift your knees one at a time. Want to make it harder? Pick up the pace or lift those knees higher. Let's go for 60 seconds. This is how every great workout starts, step by step. 2. Wall push-ups. Push-ups can feel intimidating, but let's start with a beginner-friendly version. Wall push-ups. Stand a couple of feet from the wall, place your hands at shoulder height, and slowly lean in until your nose almost touches the wall. Then push back. This move works your chest, shoulders, and arms without putting pressure on your joints. Do 10 to 15 reps at your own pace. 3. Chair squats. Time to work those legs. Stand in front of a chair, feet shoulder width apart. Lower yourself slowly until you touch the seat. Then stand back up. Chair squats build leg strength, improve balance, and mimic real-life movements like getting up from a chair or toilet. Vital for independence. Start with 10 to 12 reps. You'll feel it in your thighs and glutes. 4. Arm circles. Now, let's warm up your upper body. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small forward circles for 30 seconds, then reverse. It might feel like nothing at first, but after a minute, you'll feel those shoulders working. This improves flexibility and circulation, especially if you sit a lot. 5. Seated knee lifts. Time for a seated core and leg move. Sit upright in a chair, hands on the sides, and lift one knee toward your chest. Lower and repeat on the other side. Do 10 to 12 reps per leg. This move gently strengthens your hip flexors, abs, and legs. Plus, it's low impact and safe for anyone with balance issues. 6th, side leg raises. Stand tall, hold onto the back of a chair for support, and lift one leg to the side. Keep your legs straight and your core tight. This move strengthens your outer thighs and improves hip stability, essential for preventing falls. Do 10 reps per leg, take your time, control matters more than speed. 7. Step touch. Let's get that heart rate up again. Step to the right, bring your left foot in, then go left and bring your right foot in. Add arm swings to engage the whole body. This is a simple cardio move that improves coordination, burns calories, and gets you in a rhythm. Go for 60 seconds. Smile. It's fun. 8. Bird dog, modified. Let's work the core and back. Get on all fours. Extend your right arm and left leg at the same time, then switch. If this feels tough, try just extending one limb at a time. This move improves balance, strengthens your core, and helps with posture. Do 6 to 8 reps per side. 9. Standing calf raises. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Rise up onto your tiptoes. Hold for a second, then lower down slowly. Calf raises improve circulation, build ankle strength, and help with daily movement like walking or climbing stairs. Don't rush, feel the burn. 10. Deep breathing and stretch. You made it. Now cool down with some deep breathing and gentle stretches. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Reach your arms up, then slowly bend forward and stretch those hamstrings. Finish with some shoulder rolls and neck circles. Let your body recover. You've earned it. Great job, beginner champion. This might seem simple, but showing up and moving your body is a powerful habit, and you did it. Stick with this routine 3 to 4 times per week, and you'll start to see real changes in energy, strength, and confidence. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly workouts, and share this with someone who's ready to get fit. And when you're ready for the next step, check out our video, 10 fat-burning moves, home workout to lose weight fast. You're stronger than you think.